Before 1 week we started our chapter number 1, that is our national fruit mango. In that we learn different types of example. We learn a large number, how to write number in an expanded form, how to write number name, how to write numerals, okay, and comparison of larger number. Today also we learn example related to price of mangoes, cars, vehicles, okay, and the amount we paid in a bank. So we also learn about the interest. Today we will revise all the concept of chapter number 1. Okay, so what is the first? That is expanded form or place value. Here I write the place value. Instead of writing place value of each digit, we write the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Means write the place value of each digit. So what is the place value of A? It is 8 lakh. Why? Because it is at the lakh place. Here we need to start from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 8 is multiplied with lakh, so it is 8 lakh. Place value of 8 is what? 8 lakh. તમને એક્ઝામમાં ખાલી એવું પણ પૂછાય કે 6 ની પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ લખો તો 6 is at which place? ones, tens and 100. So place value of 6 will be 100. Clear? So 9 is at the 10,000 place, so it is 9,000. 3 is at the 1,000 place, so 3,000. 6 is at the 100 place, so 600. 2 is at the tens place, so 20, and 5 is at the ones place, so it is 5. Now next one, 9, 20, 8, 4, 3. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. Place value of 9 is 9 lakh. Place value of 2 is 20,000. Place value of 0 is 0. You can write or you can skip this 0. 8 is at the 100 place, so it is 800. 4 at the tens place, so 40, and 3 at the ones place, so 3. Clear? This way you can write the place value of each digit, or you can write the number in a expanded form. Now, number in a words. Number in a words means write the naming word for this number. So how can we read it? You can say ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So it is 1 lakh. જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં મેં તમને નંબર નેમ શીખવાડી ત્યારે એવું પણ કહ્યું હતું કે જો તમને આ રીતે ડાયરેક્ટ લખતા ના આવડે તો તમારે પ્લેસ વેલ્યુ ટેબલ બનાવવાનું અને એના પરથી નંબર લખવાનો. ક્લિયર? સો ઇટ ઇઝ 1 lakh 15,800 9. For next one, it is 12 lakh 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh 10 lakh. So it is 12 lakh 16,000. 190. Clear? Now write the numerals, means write the number, that is 8,41,005. Okay, if you don't know how to write the word for this, you can make a place value table like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10. So here 8 lakh means lakh contain 8 place. 41,000, so 41,005. So 5 at the ones place. Remaining digit will be 0. So it is 841,005. 8,41,005. Clear? Otherwise you can write directly 60 lakh. So it is 60 lakh 60,000 60,000 60. It is clear? Now 9 lakh, so it is 9 lakh 51,000 280. 280. Clear? Now next one, 4 lakh, which is 4 lakh 69,202. So it is 202. Likewise, you can write the number name. Also, we know the comparison. Comparison to average. अगर आप ये कंपैरिजन करવું હોય તો અહીંયા કેટલા ડિजिट છે? અહીંયા 6 ડિजिट છે અને અહીંયા 7 ડિजिट છે. which number will be greater? Of course 7-digit number will be greater. If you want to compare this one and this one, so you need to start from the first one. Here it is 9 and here it is 8. Obviously 9 will be greater. Okay. Also we learn arranging in ascending and descending order. It is nothing but the comparison of digits. Okay. Same way you can compare the number that is of 6 digit or 7 digit. Now we also solve some word problem related to price of mango. So let's solve that. Cost of 1 kg mango is 40 rupees. What is the cost of 5 kg? 1 kg no cost 40 rupees. So 5 kg માટે શું કરવાનું? Here cost of 1 kg is rupees 40. So cost of 5 kg will be cross multiply. 5 is multiplied with 40 divided by 1. So that is 200. So how much money you need to pay? You need to pay 200 to buy 5 kg of mango. Clear? Now next one. Cost of 8 kg mango is 640. What is the cost of 1 kg? Now here 8 kg cost is given and you have to find 1 kg cost. So you can write 8 kg mango cost rupees 640. So 1 kg mango cost will be cross multiply. 1 is multiplied with 640 divided by 8. Clear? If you divide this you will get 8. So what is the cost of 1 kg? It is 80 rupees. Clear? If 1 kg weight is given and you need to find more kg, means you need to multiply. And if more kg is given and you need to find 1 kg, so it is divided. Clear? Now, we also saw this kind of example, that is what is 1/3 of 390 vehicles. Vehicles वाला example solve कर रहे थे, हम आवाज statements out करते हैं. Okay, so what is 1/3 of 390? So we can write 1/3 of 390. So it is 1/3 multiply 390. Clear? Now it is division. 390 divided by 3 and 1 is in a multiplication. So you can write 139, 1 is 139. Sorry, 390, 1 is 390 divided by 3. Perform the division, you will get 130. It means 1/3 of 390 is 130 vehicles. Clear? Division करो 390 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and this 0 at the end. So it is 130. Clear? Now fourth one, 2/5 of vehicles are auto. If total vehicles are 250, find the number of auto. Also we saw this kind of example. What is the statement? 2/5 of vehicles. So we need to write 2/5 of vehicles. But how many vehicles we have? 250 is like this. Vehicles are 250. So multiply by 250. 250 multiply with 2. Numerator में जो ऊपर है वो तो multiply. 250 multiply 2 is 500. Divide by 5. What is this? It is 100 that are auto. Clear? 2/5 of total vehicles. So 2 into 25. 500 divide by 5. So it is 100 auto. Clear? Now next, if the cost of Kesar mango is 80 rupees and Badam mango is 50 rupees, find the cost for 3 kg. બંને mango નું 3 kg price find કરવાનું છે. So cost of 1 kg Kesar, that is 80. So what is the cost of 3 kg? Multiply with 3. 280 rupees. Now cost of 1 kg badam, that is rupees 50. So cost of 3 kg, 3 into 50, 150. If you want to find total cost, it will be addition of 240 and 150, 390 total cost. Clear? Now next one, 25 women deposit 20 rupees every month in a bank. How much they deposit in 1 year? Okay, every month कितना rupees deposit करे छे? 20. You need to find the deposit in a 1 year. Now how many months are there in a 1 year? 12 months. So we can write in 1 year. 12 months. So you can write for 1 month deposit 20 rupees. So for 12 months deposit will be cross multiply, 12 is multiplied with 20, 240 means તમે જો 20 20 20 डिपॉजिट करता जाओ तो 12 मंथ में कितना रुपीस डिपॉजिट થાય 240. Clear? Now next one, Ravi took a loan for rupees 20,000. He paid 24,000 in 1 year. How much did he pay in 1 month? હવે આ શું છે? 24,000 in 1 year. We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. It means in 12 months he paid 24,000. You need to find for 1 month. So in 12 months 24,000 paid by Ravi. So in 1 month how much will be paid? Cross multiplication. So 1 is multiplied with 24,000 divided by 12. Okay, 12 months na apela છે, 1 month નું find કરવાનું. So we can write in 12 months he paid 24,000. So in 1 month how much? Cross multiplication, 1 is multiplied with 24, 12 will be in a divide. If you divide these you will get 2,000. So rupees 2,000 means and every month 2,000 rupees deposit cut. Clear? Now next one, Pari took a loan of rupees 8,000. She paid 700 every month for 1 year. How much interest she paid? मैं તમને लास्ट टाइम શીખવાડી હતું. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ એટલે શું કે આપણે રૂપીસ લઈએ એના ઉપર આપણે અમુક એક્સ્ટ્રા રૂપીસ આપવા પડે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયા આપ્યું છે કે 8,000 તો 8,000 તો આપવાના જ પણ એના ઉપર બીજા એક્સ્ટ્રા રૂપીસ આપવાના, એને ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ કહેવાય. તો ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે કે કેટલા એક્સ્ટ્રા રૂપીસ આપે. સો હિયર she paid 700 rupees every month. So in 1 month how much money she paid? 700 rupees. We need to find for 1 year. So for 12 months 12 into 700 that is 8,400 rupees means and 12 month માં કેટલા પે કર્યા હશે? 8,400. 8,000 લીધા હતા અને 8,400 પે કર્યા. ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ શું થાય? ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ will be 8,400 minus 8,000 that is rupees 400. Clear? This is called interest. Likewise you can solve example of chapter number 1. Numbers change થાય, question statement આ રીતના જ રહેશે. Okay, you need to find interest, you need to find the money paid in a year or cost of mango for different kg and number